Imagine a crypto coin that never crashes, never pumps, never goes to zero. A coin that is always worth exactly $1. No matter what Bitcoin does. No matter what the market does. It just stays stable. Sounds boring, right? Wrong. This type of coin has quietly become one of the most powerful and most used tools in all of crypto. And most beginners have no idea it even exists. Today that changes. Here is a problem almost every crypto beginner faces. They buy Bitcoin or an altcoin. The market suddenly crashes. They panic. They do not know whether to sell or hold. If they sell, they go back to regular money and lose their position in crypto completely. If they hold, they watch their balance drop lower every day. It is a painful situation. And most people make the wrong choice. But what if there was a middle option? A way to stay inside crypto without being exposed to the price swings? That middle option is stablecoins. And once you discover them, you will never trade without them again. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is designed to always maintain a fixed value, usually $1. Unlike Bitcoin, which can go up or down by 10% in a single day, a stablecoin stays at $1 today, $1 tomorrow, $1 next week. How does it do this? By being backed by real assets. The most popular stablecoins are backed one-to-one by actual US dollars sitting in a real bank account. For every one stablecoin in existence, there is one real dollar backing it somewhere. This is what keeps the price stable. The three most important stablecoins you need to know right now are USDT, USDC, and BUSD. USDT, also known as Tether, is the most widely used stablecoin in the entire crypto market. It handles billions of dollars in transactions every single day. USDC, created by Circle, is known for being very transparent and regulated. Many institutions trust it because it publishes regular audits of its dollar reserves. BUSD, created by Binance, was widely used on the Binance exchange platform for trading and fees. So what do people actually use stablecoins for? Let me give you the 4 most common uses. First, parking profits. When you make a profit on a trade and the market looks uncertain, you convert to a stablecoin. Your profits are locked in safely. You stay inside crypto, ready to buy again when the time is right. Second, sending money internationally. Sending USDT to someone in another country takes seconds and costs almost nothing. No bank. No exchange rate fees. No waiting 3 to 5 days. Just instant transfer of real dollar value anywhere in the world. Third, earning passive income. Many crypto platforms let you deposit stablecoins and earn interest. Sometimes between 5 and 12% annually. Far more than any traditional savings account. Fourth, trading. Almost all crypto trading pairs on exchanges use stablecoins as the base currency. When you buy Bitcoin with USDT, you are using a stablecoin to make that trade. Let me tell you about Maria. Maria started investing in crypto in 2022. When the market crashed badly that year, most investors lost between 50 and 80% of their portfolio. But Maria had learned about stablecoins early. When she saw warning signs in the market, she converted 60% of her portfolio into USDT. The crash happened. Her USDT stayed at $1. When Bitcoin dropped to its lowest point, she used her USDT to buy more Bitcoin at a huge discount. When the market recovered, her portfolio had actually grown. While most people were devastated, Maria was winning. Not because she got lucky, but because she had the right tool at the right time. Think of stablecoins like the US dollar inside the crypto world. When you go on holiday to another country, you exchange your money into the local currency. When you come back home, you exchange it back. Stablecoins work the same way. When you enter crypto, you can exchange your dollars into stablecoins. Safe. Simple. Smart. So here is everything you just learned. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to always maintain a fixed value of $1. They are backed by real assets. The most important ones are USDT, USDC, and BUSD. They are used for parking profits, sending money internationally, earning passive income, and trading. They are the safety net of the crypto world. And every serious crypto investor uses them. Now you will too. Now you understand stablecoins completely. In the next video we cover CX and DX, centralized and decentralized exchanges. This is where you actually go to buy crypto. And knowing the difference between the two could save you from losing your money to the wrong platform. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it. Drop a comment below. Did you know stablecoins existed before this video? Tell me yes or no. See you in the next class.